Guys, I would love to introduce the brand new project that will be shown here on the channel. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the TRD FRS. Check that out. So here is the car in all its gloriness. Now there is a couple things that I do want to point out before I continue the video. This car is obviously used. It's a 2015 TRD FRS, which is release series 1, I believe. But anyways, let's get down to business. So the previous owner actually put adhesive all over like the lip, the side skirts, and then the rear bumper. I'm not sure if the TRD models have that in general, but I'm gonna remove it and put some 3M behind all of the, the lip, the side skirts, and all of that jazz. Another thing I want to point out is these fog lights are yellowed like crazy, like absolutely like crazy. So I'm going to get those changed out. And then the flat black all over the car is in really rough shape. It has a lot of scratches, dings here and there, but it's flat black. There's not much you can do about it. Now, another downside I do want to point out is this frame bracket thing right here. Now, the previous owner actually drilled the bumper itself to get this installed. This car did come from Texas, so I believe you have to have your license plate on the front and the back when it comes to Texas. But when I tried to take this off, when I got the car home, I realized there's two giant holes on the bumper itself as well as the grill right here. And I was like, dang, that's unfortunate. But it is what it is. I'm gonna be rocking the front and back plates for the meantime, until I get the bumper fixed, that is. And in case you guys are curious on what's so special about the TRD, you get these very nice headlights right here, which are absolutely 10 times better than the original FRS headlights, hands down. And then you get these beautiful side fins right here that do say TRD, and I just like them way better than the FRS. So the next thing we got on the list is the wheels themselves. Now, I don't think this car had the TRD performance package because these do look like the stock FRS wheels just with the TRD center cap. So there's nothing too crazy going on right here, you feel me? But let's go ahead and check out the inside. This is how you confirm if you have a TRD yourself, and it is the center console. You guys can actually see a badge number of what number is your TRD, and unfortunately we got 1041. Wish I had a better number, but it is what it is, man. I'm just blessed to own one. Now, the previous owner did actually install this center cap right here, which I don't really like because it's not flush with the rest of the car. And then here is the seats, basically just some little knickknacks that is actually improved. Like the seats themselves are actually way better than the stock FRS seats. Now, this car is really dirty, so please ignore all of the dirt, the grime, and all of that jazz. And this car is in automatic, in case you guys didn't already tell, because let's just say I didn't have really good luck with my previous FRS. As you guys can see, it's covered up, broken down, and it is what it is, you feel me? Now, this does come with a TRD shift knob right here, and it actually comes with a TRD steering wheel as well, which is absolutely beautiful. And then it is obviously push to start, which I've never owned a push to start car before, but it's nice, let's just say that. So here's a better look at the interior in case you guys didn't really see it that well when I showcased it, but it's an upgrade overall from the stock FRS. So now, the moment of truth you've all been waiting for. What is powering this TRD FRS? And it has a whopping 200 horsepower, ladies and gentlemen. Out of this world. But all jokes aside, guys, this car is completely stock. It has a sound tube, stock intake. Even the suspension is absolutely stock. So I cannot wait to start messing up this car. Oh, also, in case you guys didn't know what side skirts I was talking about, it is literally this right here. It has a trim of the yellow and then the flat black, which looks absolutely beautiful. Like I said, the car is dirty. So here is one quick look at the back of the car. It does have the 3-piece TRD spoiler, and it actually has a TRD logo in the bottom, as well as the quad tip exhaust. Unfortunately, it still has the ugly stock FRS taillights, which I am getting rid of soon.
A few moments later.
So that's pretty much a quick rundown of my 2015 TRD FRS. I just want to do a quick rundown, nothing too long and crazy, just so you guys get the basic idea and so I can start modding this thing. So I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.